Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tsukune Don. Tsukune is Japanese meatball or smoked meatloaf, usually chicken, and don is rice ball. I normally serve them separately, but I'm having tsukune and rice anyway, so why not put them together with some extra toppings? At the end of the video, I will show you how I do a menu with this Tsukune Don, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cups of Japanese rice, your favorite vegetables. Today I have cooked broccoli, but green beans or snap peas, any vegetable will do. 400 gram ground chicken, 3 tablespoons of potato starch or cornstarch, some ginger, onion, salt and pepper, 5 eggs, 2 teaspoons potato starch or cornstarch, 3 tablespoons each of soy sauce, sake, mirin, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm cooking the rice first, so let's rinse it. Add some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. Put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice. I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. It's to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. It's been half an hour, so let's cook. Just turn the heat on and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. The rice is boiling. Turn the heat to low as you can go, and set the timer for 12 minutes. In the meantime, let's get to tsukune, the meatloaf. So onion first. Cut the top off. And peel the skin. Cut it into half. Make some slits here. Then slice. Into this large bowl. Same for the other one. And ginger, that's great. Into the same bowl. Ground chicken, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of potato starch, some salt and pepper, about a teaspoon. And knead this well. Until everything is well cooperated. The rice has been cooked for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off, keep the lid on, and steam at least for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's cook tsukune. Heat up some vegetable oil over medium heat. And put the chicken mixture as you form it into a small meatloaf shape. Like this. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. It's chicken, so you want to make sure it's completely cooked through. So after you flip them over, add some water, about 3 tablespoons. Put the lid on and steam cook for 3 to 4 minutes. It's completely cooked now. Turn the heat off and take them out. Into the same frying pan, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of mirin, 3 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of potato starch or cornstarch. Mix it well until there is no lumpy starch left. Then turn the heat back on and cook it over medium heat as you constantly mix it until it becomes thick and clear. Thick and clear. Turn the heat off and put the chicken back in. And mix so the tsukune is all coated with the sauce. Everything is ready, so it's time to assemble them into a rice ball. Flush the rice. Some broccoli, tsukune, some sesame seeds and Tsukune Japanese chili mix if you like. Egg yolk. And Tsukune Don is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Break the egg yolk. And いただきます。Tsukune, the meatloaf, is so fluffy, and the creamy egg goes really well with the savory sauce, and it's delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Tsukune Don is a combination of rice and main, so let's put it here and nothing here. The broccoli works like a side dish, so let's pass one of the side dishes. For the other side dish, some sort of pickles to refresh your palate. Kakitamajiru or Japanese egg drop soup here so that you can use the egg white. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.